Oxygen Expresses crossed 10,000 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen delivery to the southern states. Hello and welcome to Inventive. I am Manulya Singh bringing you the top news of the day. Indian Railways Oxygen Express service, which was started in April, has crossed 10,000 metric tons of liquid medical oxygen LMO delivery to southern states of the country. So far, Indian Railways has delivered more than 24,840 metric tons of LMO in more than 1463 tankers to various states across the country. It may be noted that 359 oxygen expresses have completed their journey so far and brought relief to various states, said the Ministry of Railways in a statement. Among southern states, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Karnataka received more than 2,500 metric tons of LMO each from Oxygen Expresses, it further added. Till the time of this release, 6 loaded Oxygen Expresses on run with more than 587 metric tons of LMO in 30 tankers. Oxygen Expresses crossed 10,000 metric tons of LMO delivery to the southern states of the country. Oxygen relief by Oxygen Expresses reached out to 15 states, namely Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Telangana, Punjab, Kerala, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand and Assam. 614 metric tons of oxygen has been offloaded in Maharashtra, nearly 3,797 metric tons in Uttar Pradesh, 656 in Madhya Pradesh, 5,826 in Delhi, 2,135 in Haryana, 98 metric tons in Rajasthan, 2,870 in Karnataka, 320 in Uttarakhand, 2,711 in Tamil Nadu, 2,528 in Andhra Pradesh, 225 in Punjab, 513 in Kerala, 2,184 in Telangana, 38 in Jharkhand, 320 in Assam, according to the statement. Till now, Oxygen Expresses offloaded LMO in around 13 cities and towns in 15 states across the country, namely Lucknow, Varanasi, Kanpur, Bareilly, Gorakhpur and Agra in Uttar Pradesh, Sagar, Jabalpur, Katni and Bhopal in Madhya Pradesh, Nagpur, Nashik, Pune, Mumbai and Solapur in Maharashtra, Hyderabad in Telangana, Faridabad and Gurugram in Haryana, Tughlaqabad, Delhi Cant and Okhla in Delhi, Kota and Kanakpara in Rajasthan, Bangalore in Karnataka, Dehradun and Uttarakhand, Nellore, Guntur, Taripatri and Vishakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, Ernakulam in Kerala, Trivulapur, Chennai, Tuticorin, Coimbatore and Madurai in Tamil Nadu, Bhatinda and Philor in Punjab, Kamrup in Assam and Ranchi in Jharkhand. Indian Railways has mapped different routes with oxygen supply locations and keeps itself ready with any emergency need of the states. States provide tankers to the Indian Railways for bringing LMO. Crisscrossing the country, Indian Railways is picking up oxygen from places like Hapa, Baroda, Mundra in the west and Rourkela, Durgapur, Tatnagar, Angul in the east and then delivering it to all the states. In order to ensure that oxygen relief reaches in the fastest time possible, Railway is creating new standards and unprecedented benchmarks in running of Oxygen Express freight trains. The average speed of these critical freight trains is way above 55 in most cases over long distances. Running on high priority green corridor with the highest sense of urgency, operational teams of various zones are working round the clock in most challenging circumstances to ensure that oxygen reaches in fastest possible time frame. Technical stoppages have been reduced to 1 minute for crew changes over different sections. Tracks are kept open and high alertness is maintained to ensure that Oxygen Express keeps zipping through.